Hello students, I am going to discuss numerical based on electrostatic, and the question is here: a particle of mass m and charge plus q is located midway between two fixed charge particles each having a charge plus q and at a distance 2l apart. Assuming that middle charge moves along the line joining the fixed charge, calculate the frequency of oscillation when it is displaced slightly. So, the diagram of the question is like this. Here is this charge which is placed in the midway of these two charges which are 2l distance apart. So, the distance between this charge and this one will be L, and similarly this charge and this one will be L. In place of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, I am writing just K. So, force will be given by F equals to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. But as the charges are same, so I am just writing Q square in place of Q1 and Q2. Now, first of all, I am going to draw the direction, and before the direction I am writing the value of forces between them. Let F1 is the force between this plus Q and this plus Q, and similarly F2 is the force between this plus Q and this one charge. So F1 will be given by K in place of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q square upon distance between this charge and this point is L. So L square. Similarly, F2 will be equals to K Q square upon L square. Now just take a look on the direction. As this charge plus Q, this is also positive charge, so they will repel each other, and F1 is in this direction. Similarly, this is positive and this one is also positive, so F2 is in this direction and they will repel each other. So as we can see, the direction of the forces are in opposite direction, so their resultant will be calculated by their difference. So F equals to F1 minus F2, as F1 and F2 are equal, so their resultant will be 0. Now it is displaced by small distance x. Take a look on the diagram. As initially at this is in this position and it is displaced by a small distance x. So the distance between this plus q and this plus q will become L minus x, and the distance between them will become L plus x. So F1 will be given by kq square, and in place of distance L plus x to the power 2. Similarly, F2 will be given by kq square, and in place of distance L minus x to the power 2. So net force will be given by difference because the forces are in opposite direction. So I am writing F1 minus F2. Now F equals to kq square upon L plus x to the power 2 minus kq square upon L minus x to the power 2. Take kq square common and LCM of L plus x square and L minus x square. This is common, so this will multiplied by with this, and this will multiplied by with this. So on expanding their squares, we get L square plus x square plus 2xl minus as it is this one, and on expanding this bracket we get L square, x square and 2xl. And when we multiplied these two terms, L plus x and L minus x gives L square minus x square, and as they contains square, so I am applying square here also. When we remove the brackets, then the sign will become changes of this bracket. So L square will cancel out L square, x square will cancel out x square, and only 2xl will remains, which is positive and becomes negative, as x is very less than L. So we can neglect x. Neglect means we can remove x from here only in plus and minus, and this 2xl and this 2xl gives minus 4xl. So the force become kq square minus 4xl upon L to the power 4. Here as you can see, L square has a square, and when we remove this x square, the power of L becomes 4. So F will be minus 4k q square x upon L cube, and as we know the formula of force is ma, so we can calculate the value of A. This will be minus 4k q square x upon ml cube. As now you can see that x is directly proportional to negative of displacement, then it will execute simple harmonic motion. This is the condition of SHM, that acceleration should be directly proportional to the negative of displacement, and in SHM acceleration is given by A equals to minus omega square x. Compare these two equations and we get minus omega square x equals to minus 4k q square x upon ml cube. This minus sign will cancel out and this x will cancel out. So omega square becomes 4k q square upon ml cube, and when we remove its square, then we have to take an under root on another side. Omega is equals to 2 pi nu or 2 pi t. If I am calculating time period, then we will use 2 pi upon t, and if I am calculating frequency, then we will use 2 pi nu. So in this question we are calculating frequency, so 2 pi nu equals to 4k q square upon ml cube in square root. So nu gives 1 upon 2 pi under root 4k q square upon ml cube. We can solve further. Take this 4 out from the under root, and it will become nu equals to 1 upon pi under root k q square upon ml cube.